Is it going in?
Yeah, I'm telling you. Well, shit, you want to explain what all we did, or?
So, shit, so far, what we did, take these out, got a whole bunch of screws out. I got a plastic bag for that. We had to use I think a T10 and a T20 to get the little things out right here. We took this out, we got this out. What?
Oh, you think it'll fit?
Oh. I think you should start from this side. Oh, you trying to get that part done right now.
What you think would be better?
This.
It'll just come up?
Hey, look, it's working. Alright guys, so we here now. Just picked up some glue going. Heard it's supposed to be good to be taking off the adhesive. So we're just gonna go around the car, put this around. So we get it up there. Look at this little dude laughing. Yeah, okay. You're in a slow boat. Once you get around around there, make sure you're getting all that adhesive out. See if this really worked. Are you supposed to let this sit for about 15, 20 minutes? Hey, dude, I'm going all out with that. I'm using the whole bottle, baby.
Go bigger, go home,
go crazy.
Go crazy. Go nuts. Ah! You seen that video? Shit, I guess we let this sit here and we come back. Shit, we going 6 layers right now. Let's see if this is too thick. Hey, man, it feel like it's eating it up. Look like I'm moving it off.
That's what I told him. Look.
Hey, I'm going deeper, dude.
Should I try to lift it for you?
I have knows I could do that, but he don't want me to break it.
Let it go. It's eating it.
Oh, it's doing it?
It's eating it. Hey, my hand's starting to hurt. I'm not gonna lie. Shit.
Want to switch? I'll do it. Want some Mexican hands in the video?
Uh-oh. Look, we're getting down there.
Hey, start from the other side now and just work your way from that side.
Why would I do that?
Oh, well. Oh, my bad. Just cut that out your video then.
Oh, it broke on me, dude.
Damn, 6 layers.
Let's get it. So that's where we got it on so far. We got it up a little bit. So let's try to post it. Dude, Resny on this foot. He started flying, man.
Sorry, man. You know how famous, baby.
I think we got it from here. Let's try to do this. Ugh. Oh, this side, we still gotta loosen the glue up on that side.
Want me to hold it?
Bro, we need some. I know exactly what to use.
I need some cocaine. I mean,
I'll be right back. You gonna bring it? Hey, I'm finna scratch my paint. Fuck it. It's gonna work though.
so we just gotta take this off?
Yeah, I bet you I can rip it off.
Nah, he's gonna get bad.
I know. Wow. Get the fuck in the car, dumbass.
Whoa.
That's what he be saying. Like, what the? Like, no. Like, no, you.
Hey, we're getting a wrap anyway.
Oh no! Wait, use that thing he had earlier, the foam.
No, man, just be gentle with it.
No. Start over here.
Oh shit!
You was a dumb nigga, man. You could have been using this.
Come on.
Watch your language, man.
Oh, sorry, man.
Right now, you need to start doing on this side.
I forgot. You trying to get big on YouTube. I'm already big.
Bro, you gonna scratch my paint?
How? Look,
bro, start where it's already lifted.
And slide you with.
Look, you can see it through here, bro. I can't see it. Let me see.
You stab it.
I know what I'm doing. Look. Come on, dude.
Same thing.
No, it's not. Same thing. This nigga over here scratching my paint. Sorry. Hey, man, that's it.
It's not all.
It's all. One little poke.
Sheesh. Right like this.
Let's wait.
Alright guys, so basically got everything up, all the adhesive. I'm gonna finish getting the rest of the adhesive up tomorrow. Little pieces here and there, but tomorrow we're getting all, man, back up, dude.
Whoa,
sheesh, man.
Whoa, man.
But we're gonna tomorrow we're gonna come back out here tomorrow, drill some holes in there, get everything started up. So, so it's the next morning, and as you can see, I done just put some clips in there. I got some silicone to put in at the, believe the bottom of it to make sure and the water gets in. But right now, we're just gonna get all the little leftover adhesive that was stuck on off. And we got the little stuff to get prep up the wing and all that. So you can put that right here. And we got the silicone, so let's get started. So far, got the wing on, measured it. Hopefully everything's right. We measured it a couple times. Tape down these where we drilling at. Make sure we get a pretty stable little thing going on. Make sure that's stuck. So we tape these down. We're getting ready to drill in. So we're gonna watch one more video to make sure we got everything going on. But how y'all liking the way that looks so far? It's looking pretty good to me. But shit, ooh, man, I'm loving it, dude. Finna get the drilling in. Let's make sure that's the 1/8 though. I took out the 1/8. And make sure it is the 1/8. He said 1/8, right? Right, Russ?
Shit, I don't know.
Look at my notes. 1/8 inch, yeah. And that right there is the 1/8. So let's get to drilling. Is it going in? This nigga broke it.
The bit broke.
Oh fuck! Did you guys just see that? Was it drilling in?
Yeah, it's in there. I did it.
Ready. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Did it go?
Yeah.
How deep does it need to be?
It went all the way through.
Oh, you good then.
Our next one.
Ooh. No, I was pulling that down.
No, leave that now. They can come up with it. It's like, ooh. Yeah, it have to be in a big. With the second hole with the 516. Let's see how this go, man. Hopefully everything goes good. Maybe right in the middle. I don't know if it's strong enough or let me try to go out. Back in.
Well, no, it has to drill in all the way, you know what I mean? I say start from like the outside.
Let's come back to that one. I kind of messed up. Oh shit. Move.
I say don't go so hard when you're drilling. Let me see. Like, ease it. Here. Is this it?
There we go. I feel like we need it stronger. Russ the man. Reverse it out. Yeah, you can just reverse at the same time.
No, I'm reversing it manually.
Whoa, look like you the man, man.
Oh,
Last one, baby. Let's hope everything go down right.
pull it, just pull it back out, yeah. Let me see. Can we do it or? Don't force it. Don't force it. Can we do it?
Yeah. Man, everyone's different.
This look like you was going. So this is it.
Oh wow. We finally got the hose in. I think we figured out the problem. Got some clean little cuts in there. Got this one. Got this one right here. The last one. So should be getting on to put on the wing now. So we got to this part now, and I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to get the sunlight to go where the hole is. It's pretty hard to get your hand in there and screw it up. Pretty much impossible, really. So what we probably have to do is drill a hole somewhere in here and work it from there. But, so ooh, you hear it, you can hear it. What we have to do to get the screw in, we found a way. Make a little hole through there, get that straight in. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's how we have to do it. Made a hole on this side. We're gonna pick up another screw right now. So get to it. Okay guys, so after all that work, we finally got the wing going. Get a good little view out look on the car. Looks pretty good, you ask me. Well worth it. Got it locked down really good. See if we open the trunk. Locked down. So right here, basically just filled this in. I need to clean this off still, but right now just filled this in with what is it called? Silicone. So water basically and stuff won't get in here, but I guess they're gonna fix all of this. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for the video, and I guess I'll be catching you guys later.